Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add team members in Schedule.so. Managing scheduling alone works great, but when your entire team needs access to bookings, calendars, and workspace settings, collaboration becomes essential. With Schedule, you can easily invite team members, control their access permissions, and manage everything from one centralized workspace. To get started, click on Members from the top navigation menu. This section allows you to manage everyone connected to your workspace. Click Add Member. A pop-up will open where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type the email address, then click Add and Set Access. This lets you invite the member and set their permissions before the invitation is sent. Next, choose the access level for the invited member. You can control what they are allowed to do by selecting the right permissions. You can also choose different access settings for each workspace separately. Once the access settings are ready, click Save. After the invitation is sent, the member will stay in the invited list until they accept it. If needed, you can open the Actions menu next to the invited member. From here, you can resend invitation if they did not receive it, or revoke invitation if you no longer want to invite that person. This gives you control over pending invitations before the member joins the team. Now let's see how the invited team member can join the workspace. The invited user will receive an email invitation from Schedule. Inside the email, click the Accept Invitation button. This will open the invitation page in the browser. If they are new to Schedule.so, they can create a new account first and then continue accepting the invitation. Once completed, the member will automatically be added to the workspace. If needed, you can update their access permissions at any time by clicking Manage Access. You can also remove the member from your workspace whenever required. And that's it. Start building your team and manage everything together with Schedule.so.